All right, this is State of Michigan versus Edenor Acosta, case 2405870501. Today is the date set for a redetermination hearing. Appearances, please.
Thank you, Judge. Steve Vincent for the people.
Jessica Scheib on behalf of Mr. Acosta. Sir, please state your full name again for the record.
Edenor Acosta, ma'am.
Sorry.
All right, thank you, Mr. Acosta. Sorry for mispronouncing your name. Today is the date set for the redetermination hearing. Bond is set intentionally unaffordable. Ms. Scheib, as to bond.
As to bond, Your Honor, he's a lifelong resident of Michigan. He's 46 years old. To my knowledge, he's not on probation or parole or anything pending. I don't believe he has anything assaultive on his record to our knowledge as well. To our knowledge, Your Honor, I'm just looking at something in the report. He does do home improvement, remodels houses. He says, Your Honor, that he was drugged. Someone slipped something in his drink and he blacked out. So that, he doesn't have any recollection of anything, Your Honor. I know that we are here for redetermination. That will all come out in court, in trial. So respectfully asking the court to consider a reasonable bond here. Any bond amount is going to be unaffordable. If the court is not inclined to do a personal without a GPS tether and house arrest, then we understand that, Your Honor.
Mr. Vincent, before you begin, I know you, I said I had the pictures. I got an email, but I don't have an attachment on there. Could you send that again?
Absolutely, Judge. My apologies.
Nope, I said I had it. I didn't open the attachment.
I'm going to send it to both.
Well, I'll let you start your argument, and if I get them by then, I'll have it. So you can go ahead.
I appreciate you, Judge. And this is nothing against defense counsel because I know that the people have more information to use than defense counsel or than what defense counsel gets from their client. But I know she had said that this defendant is a lifelong resident of Michigan. Kind of ironic, though, because he holds a Florida identification. In addition to that, Judge, he has an FBI number. And in addition to that, Judge, in the last month, I have 3 police report numbers regarding this complainant making complaints against this defendant for assault. I have one dated July 4th of 24, and I have the number. That's still under investigation. He was released on a secondary assault report 6 days later, July 10th. And then there was a warrant that was just requested on that police report 240704-0292. And that incident date was July 25th of 24. He's going to be arraigned on that soon. And then in addition, Judge, just what you may or may not know, the allegations, they speak for themselves. The alleged assault that lasted for hours. The pictures corroborate that. I'm hoping you get those pretty timely here. The gal ended up having to go to the hospital. I mean, eyes swollen, so badly she could hardly see or open them. And then, Judge, all of this allegedly happens in front of this 8-year-old child. That's hers, not his. Now, I'll take defense counsel at her word regarding blacking out for whatever reason. I don't know, where the foundation is regarding that, but either case, Judge, highly assaultive. We feel he's a substantial danger, ongoing danger to this individual, and respectfully, we're going to be asking you to continue this bond.
Couple of questions. If any of you know, are there any, you indicated there was an FBI number. Are there felony convictions, assaultive convictions, or anything of that sort?
I wasn't privy to the FBI report. I attempted to look in Florida because he had a valid ID as of August 6th of 24. Judge, I was unsuccessful in my approach in order to open any potential. But in terms of Michigan, no. What I had assaultively, just based on those police reports, is what I presented to you.
So I've got the incident, that the warrant was submitted from July 25th, and I have this incident as well.
Yeah, and then we have that 240725-30304 that's under investigation. That was another police report made by the complaining witness for an assault by this defendant.
Do you have a date of the offense on that number?
July 4th of 24.
Okay. So this is what I have. I have the matter that's up for today, charge great assault with the great bodily harm with the complaining witness that is related to the defendant. I also have two matters with earlier defense date that are, one is in an investigative stage and one is being submitted for a warrant. I do believe that there's clear convincing evidence that there's an immediate danger to the complaining witness at this time. So the high cash bond is going to remain. The next date in this matter is August 16th, 2024, before Judge King. August 16th. And that concludes the hearing.